Hello everyone and welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. Now, if you've been following along, you know that the running theme of Vlogmas has been opening up one of these lovely gifts from my advent calendar from the Body Shop. This was a generous gift from one of my friends. I think I've mentioned this about 20 times already, even though we are on day 13, I've mentioned it 20 times. And what I've been doing is kind of going through this with you real time. Let me get my camera for the B-roll here. Let's make sure it's clean so you can see. So what I've been doing is just kind of opening with you first impressions and the like. Alrighty. So boom, this is the box. You've seen this million one time, and it's always hard to do all of this with one hand. Day 13, please be on top, and it's not. All right, day 13, please be on the second drawer so we can make it easy for ourselves. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see if I can hold it up like this. And day 13 was not in the second one. All right, let's try this. Day 13 obviously needs to be down here and is huge, worth the effort. Let's get her out. Man, listen, opening things with one hand, do not recommend 1 star. All right. It says, boost your mood by turning up the volume on your favorite Christmas songs. Feel the positive vibrations and dance like no one's watching. And that's how I always dance. You all know that. This might be like a free subscription to like Spotify. What do y'all think? What do you think it is? Oh, it's a loofah. I thought these things had something to do with what was inside of the box. But this is a loofah. Let's see what's special about this loofah. We've replaced our plastic bath lilies with Rami, a natural plant-based fabric. All right, a fiber. Make sure you let it dry out completely and store it in a safe, dry place. All right. It feels like cotton. I don't know. I mean, plant-based cotton is a plant, so I don't know what makes it special, but yeah, I thought this was going to be something to do with dancing and music or something. But yeah, it's still super cute. I'm definitely going to use this. I was thinking I would make this like my travel loofah, but no, I just feel like how it's made, it definitely needs to stay aired out. So I'm going to keep this at home. So that's what we opened for today, but I also have some haul things. As you guys know, we've talked about this before. I did over shop and overspend during the Black Friday frenzy. This year, admittedly, Black Friday was pretty good. Normally, I've told you in the past, I felt like Black Friday was a scam. And that's because they make things feel like it's a sale when it's really not. And during the year, you can get better deals. But this year, I think there were pockets and corners of stores that were having decent sales, and I definitely indulge in those sales. And then especially even if, you know, what I usually use Black Friday for is to get things that I'm normally going to get or always get, and just use it to just replenish. So if it's like my favorite deodorant right now, which is Madame Lemmy, or any type of hair products or skin products that I use all the time anyway, and they're having a discount, why not re-up? So these next things are from Old Navy. And this is a bit of re-uppage here as well. So this is, they sent me in 2 different packages though. So I don't, yeah, see, same thing but different colors. All right, let's open the first one. I can't, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember what I got. So, oh, the very first one is a, ooh, no. Okay, what size is this? Shit. All right, so I got this satin skirt, or satin slip skirt, and it has a little slit here, and I sized up because these satin like skirts usually are not very forgiving. They show every lump and bump underneath the body, and I wanted it to be loose, but I'm looking at it now, and this, even with the elastic, is very, very wide. I feel like this is going to sit low slung on me, but that's okay. And I'm not really big on returning things, if you guys have ever noticed. I may complain about things, but I rarely return things. I will donate them. I donate them, or I don't even think I sell them on like Poshmark or Mercari or anything. I literally just donate them. So this bag is pretty robust. Let's get into this. I remember buying like exercise stuff, and again, this is around the theme of replenishing stuff, but let me see. These are leggings. This says high-rise crop leggings. And I like cropped. And I think I told you that. I really like the airflow down at the bottom. But when I'm touching these, they feel like tights. I don't know why. Let's get you out of here. No, they're leggings. They are leggings. Yep, they're leggings. I got this in an extra small. I usually find when I get the smalls, even though I'm a little bit on the thicker side at the moment, I usually find when I get the smalls, they stretch while you're working out. The knees start to sag. I don't know if they stretch or what they do, but they do start to sag in the areas that had the most give anyway, like the most fabric or whatever. So it don't fit right anymore after you exercise in it one time. So I needed to stay taut. I need to look good. And so I get my normal size. Oh, this one is another one of those satin skirts. And this is such a delicious color, right? It looks like a fuchsia here to my eye. I don't know what they have it listed as on the website. But again, I got this one in a small and it is a bit like just saggy here around the waist. Hopefully this works for me. I mean, I think it'll work right now maybe because I am thicker. I told you that before. Been doing a lot of travel and eating everything that I want. So you pay for that shit. You pay for that when you do that. As much as I like to believe that the calories during traveling don't count, they actually do count. And the money you spend during traveling don't count, it actually does because my bank account told me it does. So let's continue on. This one looks like another pair of leggings. This is a high-rise 7/8 leggings, and again in a cropped. This one, again, this is a charcoal gray. I don't know if you can tell that on camera. I believe this one also a gray. What was I thinking? I got another one in another charcoal gray. Well, I know what I was thinking. I don't have gray leggings, so I got this one also in a extra small. I said that already. And this one is just going to be a bit longer. This one looks full length. They lied. This ain't 7/8. This is full length. Anyway, I think these were like a couple bucks though. These were like $2-3. So it's very hard to find nice quality things at that price. So I'm fine with it. And again, I've shown you before, if I have leggings that are too long, I'll just crop them. So that's that. I'll just cuff them, not crop them. I'll cuff them under. This here, let's see what you are. Oh, this one was a 3-pack. This one was a really good bargain. You got a 3-pack and it had like, it was on sale and there was an additional discount, all the things. And this one, oh, that's me smelling good. And I'm like, well, something smells good. This one, these are cropped. This is black, my favorite. And I got this in an extra small. Black is the best because it is slimming. And then this one, not my favorite. I'm not really a fan of tie-dye, but anyway, it's blue. I have several blue sneakers, so this will like tie a look together, but not necessarily my favorite pattern or print. And then lastly, this is more like a heather blue. Ooh, and this one feels really soft. It's much softer than these. You would think they'd be the same, but they're not. But this heather blue is gorgeous. I love this. So the black and the blue are my favorite. Tie-dye, not so much. And then let's see what else we got. And then the last thing here. This one feels pretty thick and robust. What are you? What are you in here? Oh, and this one is a 2-pack, a black 2-pack of, it just says 2-piece set. I don't know what you are, but it's leggings again, and it's black. I feel, oh, these are 3/4 length, 3/4 length or whatever. These probably are going to be my favorite cut. 3/4 lengths are my favorite cut. Cropped, not so much, because it kind of sometimes just hits you like right in the middle of the calf. And then full length, 7/8 sometimes, depending. It could be okay because it comes up like right above the ankle, and that's good sometimes. Full length I just don't like because it covers the ankle completely and it just looks weird. It just looks like I have on stockings, footless stockings or footless tights, and that ain't what I'm looking for either. So this one is 2 of the same here. And these little packs of leggings were the best deal. They were the best bang for my buck. If I remember correctly, they were the best bang for my buck because you got, you know, obviously several pairs and they were a cheap price. They were on sale. They took an additional discount. All the things that you want when you're buying on sale. So that's the end of today's Vlogmas. I showed you what I opened in my advent calendar, my haul for this big haul. It's still the same haul. We're still going through all of those things. I can't believe how far into the year we are, and I'm still opening up Black Friday things. And there's still more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to come back tomorrow. I'll have another wonderful Vlogmas video just for you.